Tiger Sharks, lane number 2, Sweet Devils, lane number 3, Accenture, and lane number 4, Pyros. Always much awaited race. Approaching the final 100 meters, guys. Cheer for your teams. Lane number 4 is really up and strong. That is Pyros.
Oh my gosh.
Followed by lane number 3, lane number 2, and explosive lane number 1.
Ang layo, man. Ang sarap.
Final 20 meters. Lane number 4.
Woo!
Pyros, take the lead. There you go.
Good job!
That is our second race. Men's 1-1 Heat 1. And the race begins, guys. This is race number 12, round 2, heat number 3. Manila Blazing Paddles in lane number 1. Lane number 2 is Pyros, and lane number 3, Accenture. Oh, it's a close race between the 3. I think lane number 3 is taking the lead. Accenture. Followed by Pyros and MB Manila Blazing Paddles. Oh, this is a nice race. Approaching the final 100 meters, guys. Cheer for your team. And here we go. It's a very close match between lane number 2, Pyros and Accenture. Who is going to take the lead? Oh my! There we go. Accenture.
Saya-saya naman nila.
Followed by Here we go. This is race number 17, women's semifinals 1. On lane number 1, we have the Navy, Philippine Navy. Lane number 2, the Philippine Titans. Lane number 3, Pyros. Lane number 4, Aqua. 14. Navy and Cebuan Tanawan. But not